Hi guys, Varun here from Phone Arena, and here we have the ZTE Axon M. From the front of it, it looks like yet another Android phone, but then it packs yet another cool feature, which is basically a secondary screen, which kind of you can use for multiple ways. So it has two identical 5.2-inch displays, so you can have something going on the left, something going on the right, and you can actually mirror it. So you can have multiple modes, you can actually mirror them like this, or you can actually have it like one big screen like this, or you can basically so you can have two things going on both the screens, and or you can have like a stretched out screen, like instance in case you open say Chrome or something, you can like kind of disable the second screen if you want, like, or you can use it like say for one big thing, and it also works in portrait mode as well. So this is actually a very cool way of using it. So you can actually read stuff or do anything in one big screen. So let's actually open up the gallery. So for instance, let's open up the kind of the gallery here. So let's pick up some photograph, and as you can see the photograph on the right side instead of on the same screen. So we've actually played with something like this from NEC a few years ago from Japan. Picked one up, so you guys must have seen the video of that. It was called a Media S phone. So this is very much similar, but it's from ZTE, and in 2017 it came out, and we're getting our hands on it in 2018. It's sold with AT&T in the US, and it's running on Android 7.1.2. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 300 mAh battery on the inside, got a headphone jack on the top, a Type-C port on the bottom, the hinge for the display, the power button, SIM card tray, volume rocker, and it looks like a camera key. So let's actually check it out. So it's actually a TV mode, or a programmable key, I guess. So you can actually launch direct TV from it. So it also packs a 20 megapixel camera on the front along with a LED flash, as you can see here. And it's also got a fingerprint sensor, which is actually housed in the home button, the power button. So that's how you actually unlock it. You can use your left hand or left thumb for it. And it also has support for Dolby Atmos audio, memory card slot for up to 256 gigs of storage, Type-C, 4 gigs of RAM, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 64 gigs of storage, and it weighs about 230 grams. Kind of chunky phone, but if you are in the market for something like a big screen phone but want something small to carry around, so it's a pretty nice phone to have. It's priced. It's available only on AT&T in the US, so that's kind of limited right now. But apart from that, it's a pretty neat looking phone, and I mean, it could be done in a better way, but I think ZTE has done what it can with the ZTE Axon M. So let us know in the comments as to what you think about such dual display phones. Do you want them? Do you like them? Or do you think it's something which you would not use? So let us know in the comments, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.